Today is October 26th, and I just got this in the mail. I ordered about 2 weeks ago on Xterra Canada website. Came to about $110 ship, which is pretty good. The brand is Rola, and apparently it can hold up to 150 pounds. Okay, just took it off the box. Looks like it's only two pieces. Their weight's about 30-40 pounds around there, so it's not too heavy. Two pieces. I guess they connected together by these tubes here. Two tubes on each side. And there's a little wind deflector. I assume that goes there. That's the front. And this box here, not sure what it is. Mounting kits. The type of paint is rough, like sandpaper. I like the color, match my truck, which is also black. The instruction looked pretty simple. Two pieces connected together. This should be a screw or something to hold it in place. There's some mounting bracket, and that go on the roof rack of my car. Okay, just finished putting it together. Take maybe less than 5 minutes. Only have 8 screws that you need to put together. 4 on the wind deflector, 1 and 2, and 2 more over there. And the other 4 is for mounting these together, the 2 pieces of basket together. 1 there, 1 there, and the other 2 is on the other side. That's pretty much it. Okay, I might have an issue installing the roof basket on the Xterra. I measure the total length of the basket, and it came to about 55 inches, and according to the measurement it would be right up to the hatch, and that also means not going to be leaving much room to turn the handle for the wet box. The basket gonna be high up, so there wouldn't be any problem opening the hatch, but you don't want to put it too far back either, because that wouldn't look nice. As per the instruction, the spacer block has to be installed within these 3 burrow right here. It cannot go anywhere in the middle here, and same thing on the other side. I guess the middle is the weakest part. So I put it on the second row instead, and it's pretty easy to snap in. This is just snap it in and just align it properly and then press it down, and then there it is. Now it is ready just to put on top of the roof rack, and then you use these brackets to install it. Be sure to check the manufacturer load rating of your vehicle. In my case, my stock Nissan Xterra roof rack rated at 150 pounds. This basket weighed roughly about 30 something pounds, so that leaves me with 115 pounds or so for the load. Okay, I just throw the basket on top of my roof, It fits actually perfect. I can still open the hatch. There you go. And the front, it's just 1 inch from the handle of the wet box. So it fit. I'm just going to climb on to open the wet box just to show you. There you go. And look at that. The handle was basically 1 inch away from the basket. This roof basket also come with an extension for bigger truck. It add another 30 inch or so, 32 inch. So that would take it all the way up to here. I'm planning to later throw some lights up there for the reverse and the side lights. Okay, I have the basket on top of my roof. I align the roof rack to fit, and then to mount it on is very easy. There's a bracket and spacer block, and all you do is there's a little bracket that come up from the bottom. You just have to tighten it both sides, and that's pretty much it.